Hi my dear students, very good morning to all. Already we have discussed various topics of management, meaning, features, objectives and functions of management. Today we discuss the next very important topic in the viewpoint of examination, that is importance of management. See, importance of management means the significance of management or the necessity of management. Why management to the business? Why should we use 5 functions of management? Why the effective system to the organization? And why should we develop effective management to each and every business organization? Let us come to know the importance or the significance or the purpose of management in day-to-day activities of the business. Firstly, management helps in achieving group goals. So, management is very essential to motivate each and every individual in the organization in order to reach the assigned task. So, the best example, the directing function, the 4th function of management, directing. See, directing is the function of a leader. Leader use it to motivate, leader use it to instruct, leader use it to encourage, and leader use it to provide certain instructions and required guidelines to the all employees in order to reach the common goals of the organization. Right? As we all know that the employees of the organization, they perform unique tasks, but ultimately they reach the common goal, the common vision, the general objective of the organization. That is the first point. Management helps in achieving group goals. For this, the 4th function of the management, directing, is the best example. So, in this, the leader plays very unique and very important and very crucial role on all employees to reach the objective. Second one is, management helps in proper utilization of resources. Proper means the effective and correct and efficient utilization of all the resources of the organization. Resources means man, material, machinery, equipments and technology, the main inputs to the organization. Means proper utilization of all the resources possible through effective management. Without effective management, we cannot expect the appropriate, proper and maximum utilization of resources. For the maximum, proper and effective utilization of resources, we need management. Next one is, management creates dynamic business. So, management is very dynamic. In our features of management itself, we discuss the special characteristic of management, that is dynamic. So, management use it to adapt certain changes. Management use it to observe the external environment. As per the external change, the management use it to bring certain changes in planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Hence, management creates dynamic business. Dynamic business means continuous changes, continuous developments in the business as per the external requirements, as per the changes in external environment like political environment, socio-cultural, technological, legal and consumer taste and preferences. Next one is, management increases the efficiency. Here efficiency means if we use effective management in the organization, we can produce more and more products in less cost and less resources. So, efficiency refers to producing products with minimum cost, minimum resources and less time. That is possible through effective management. If we implement management, if we implement 5 functions in the organization, we can expect quality output with minimum resources and time. That is efficiency. Finally, the last one, management helps in achieving personal objectives. Management helps in achieving personal objectives means personal objective. See, personal means employee objectives. See, employee objectives means in the organization, right? The manager or the superior use it to assign targets, use it to give standard performance to the each and every employee, right? So, the management helps and supports and encourages the employees to reach their given task or the standard performance, that is helps in achieving personal objectives. See, achieving personal objectives are possible through proper cooperation, proper coordination and by providing proper instructions, proper guidelines, rectifying their mistakes and encouraging each and every individual, satisfying their needs. So, these are very important to reach personal objectives, to achieve personal objectives and to fulfill social objectives. Social objectives means concern towards the society, welfare of the society, right? To contribute something towards the society and the development of backward areas. So effective management increases profit, right? If company earns more and more profit, they can concentrate on fulfilling social objectives like providing infrastructure facilities, quality products, creating more and more job opportunities to the public, right? So this is all possible through effective management. So management, that to effective management, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling, very essential to the each and every organization to achieve group goals, for proper utilization of available resources in the organization, to create a dynamic business, to bring certain changes, required changes, and to increase the efficiency, quality output with minimum cost and minimum resources, and helps in achieving personal objectives, means motivates each and every individual to reach their standard performance, and to fulfill social objectives means welfare of the society and providing benefits to the public. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, share and comment. Help me to grow. Thanks a lot.